Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be creating the categories, resource and model, along with making some adjustments to the models with some many relationships and belongs to. So let's start out by creating a model called category and put the M tag here. And obviously if you add the M tag, in that case you would generate a migration. You can also do an F for factory and so on, but we just need a migration for this. Alright, great. So let's open up this file. Great, and then in here let's create a string called title. Let's create a string called slug. Make sure that's unique. And outside of that, let's create something called foreign ID with a parent ID, which will be, oh wait, let's actually just fix the naming error afterwards as well. I just noticed so let's just copy this. And let's just delete this migration. There we go. Alright, so let's close this down and let's also have a table soft deletes. Perfect. And let's have a table text body nullable. So that's if you wanted to have its own page, for example, where you want to display maybe a short description and then articles of products or other things below that. But for now we will leave this nullable. We will still keep it. There you go. That's now migrated. And let's create a filament resource. And there we go. So in here, let's create a let's create a rich editor with, we call that body. Actually, I think we're calling it content in the post table. Yeah, so let's roll back to migration. There you go. Excuse me, I've had a bit of an illness last week and still got some of the cough. Alright then, I think we should be good to go. We can also add a parent ID as an option. And later on we can make sure we can actually add in the one here with a parent ID, but for now we will leave this out and give this in a separate video because this is not really something we need for now. Then in here, later on we'll be able to select categories. But first and foremost, let's go into the category model. And say a user can have a category. And for the post, actually we don't need this, sorry. Let's just go to the post one here and make sure we have public function categories belongs to many. Return this. Here we go. And then let's go into our post resource. And then say select categories, multiple, relationship. So that will basically attach the relationship between the category model and the post model. So categories and use the title attribute here. So I'll put this on a new line for consistency. And outside of that, what we need is to make sure that we actually have a category post products table. Otherwise, this will actually fail. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a migration for the category posts table. Written some quick code here we can just use. Make sure we also drop this if exists. Let's make sure we import these. And let's migrate it. So if we now go to categories, new category, create a test category. This content field didn't need to be required, so let's go back into the category resource. Yeah. We need to add the mass assignment fillable as well. So now we can make this work. Yeah, there we go. Let's edit this one. and save changes. So now we have a categories table. We have a categories post table where they're actually related to each other. That means we can now begin filtering by categories on the homepage and other aspects as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.